Here is the full translation of your text into English. Did you know that more than 85% of olive oils sold on the market are counterfeit? And worse, you might be consuming poison disguised as a healthy food. Olive oil is a true natural remedy. It cleans blood vessels and arteries, strengthens the heart, improves brain function, and even helps prevent serious diseases. But imagine that instead of obtaining all these benefits, you are ingesting cheap and harmful oils deceptively mixed in. This is a crime against your health. Recent studies have revealed that most of the olive oils sold on supermarket shelves are not pure. Major brands are adulterating the product by adding oils such as soybean, sunflower, corn, and even palm oil. This drastically reduces the quality and poses health risks. And the worst part, this practice is allowed by the legislation in some countries. In other words, you pay a high price believing you're making an investment in your health, when in reality, you're consuming a contaminated oil. This type of adulteration can cause inflammation in your body, disrupt your hormones, and increase your risk of cardiovascular diseases. But don't worry. In this video, I will teach you everything you need to know to avoid this trap. You will learn how to identify fake olive oil and pure olive oil, what signs on the bottle you need to check before buying, the list of countries that sell the most counterfeit olive oil, the real health benefits of high-quality olive oil, and an exclusive gift, a powerful natural remedy recipe used for centuries by Mediterranean peoples to strengthen immunity and fight inflammation. So stay with me until the end, because what you're about to discover today could save your health. Before we continue, I want you to stop for a moment and reflect. Your health is your most precious asset. Without it, nothing else matters. If you are here, it's because you seek more vitality, longevity, and a life free from disease. So, write in the comments now with all your strength and conviction, I deserve the best, because yes, you do. You are not here by chance. Taking care of your health is an act of love. It is honoring the gift of life that has been given to you. Believe in that. Because when you allow yourself to receive the best, life rewards you with balance, healing, and fulfillment. Let's begin. How to identify fake olive oil. As we've seen, this situation is truly outrageous. You pay a high price, believing you're making an investment in your health, but without knowing it, you end up bringing home an adulterated product, mixed with cheap and even harmful oils. A poison disguised as a healthy food. And the worst part is that this happens all the time because many brands take advantage of consumers' lack of knowledge to sell fake olive oil without anyone noticing. But from today onwards, this won't happen to you anymore. I will teach you exactly how to identify fake olive oil and ensure that you are consuming only a pure, high-quality product. Pay close attention to every detail because a single mistake could put your health at risk. 1. Check the ingredient list. Real olive oil should contain only one ingredient, extra virgin olive oil, nothing else. If you find any other substance on the label, such as soybean oil, sunflower oil, palm oil, or any other type of vegetable oil, avoid this product immediately. This means it has been adulterated and is not pure. 2. Be wary of very low prices. High-quality extra virgin olive oil is a premium product that requires a careful extraction process. If you find olive oil at a price significantly lower than the market average, consider it a major red flag. Many brands use cheap oils mixed with real olive oil to cut costs and increase profits. But the one paying the price is your health. 3. Check the packaging. Pure, high-quality olive oil should always be in a dark glass bottle, preferably green or amber. This is because light and heat oxidize olive oil, causing it to lose its beneficial properties. If the oil is in a plastic or clear glass bottle, it may have been damaged by exposure to light and heat, reducing its quality. 4. Look for certification seals. Check if the olive oil has reliable quality seals and certifications. Some of the main seals that guarantee olive oil purity are Protected Designation of Origin, PDO, Protected Geographical Indication, PGI, European or Country of Origin Certification seals. These seals indicate that the product has undergone rigorous testing and meets international quality standards. 5. Refrigerator test. A simple way to check if olive oil is pure is to place it in the fridge for a few hours. Real extra virgin olive oil tends to solidify or become thicker at low temperatures due to its high content of monounsaturated fats. If the oil remains completely liquid even after several hours in the refrigerator, there is a high chance it has been adulterated with refined oils. 6. Smell and taste test. Pure olive oil has a fresh aroma that resembles herbs, green leaves, or even a fruity note. If the smell is too neutral or similar to regular cooking oil, be suspicious. Additionally, extra virgin olive oil usually has a slight peppery sensation in the throat. This mild burning is caused by polyphenols, powerful antioxidant compounds that offer numerous health benefits. If the olive oil lacks this characteristic, it could be a sign of low quality or adulteration. 7. Check the harvest and expiration date. Choose olive oils that indicate the harvest date of the olives, not just the expiration date. Fresh, pure olive oil is always better. Ideally, it should have been produced within the last year. The more recent the production, the better its quality and nutrient concentration. Now that you know how to identify fake olive oil, tell me, have you checked these details on the olive oil you have at home? Were you surprised by any of this information? Share in the comments so others can learn how to protect themselves too. And countries that allow olive oil adulteration. Is your olive oil on this list? Now it's time for the big reveal. Many people don't know this, but some countries legally allow producers to add vegetable oils to olive oil without it being considered fraud. In these places, it is completely legal to mix soybean, sunflower, corn, and even palm oil with olive oil, reducing its quality and compromising its health benefits. Before listing these countries, it's important to clarify something. This does not mean that all olive oils produced in these places are adulterated. There are reputable brands committed to product purity. However, if you see an olive oil from one of these countries, stay alert and carefully check the label for the presence of other oils. Countries that allow the addition of other oils to olive oil. 1. Spain, the world's largest olive oil producer, but its laws allow blended oils. Many brands exploit this loophole to cut costs, especially for export. 2. Italy. Many Italian olive oils are actually blends from multiple countries, especially North Africa. 3. Greece. Produces high-quality olive oil, but also permits mixed oils, though labeling is usually clearer. 4. Turkey. Allows the addition of other oils within certain limits with minimal regulation. 5. United States. Permits mixed oils without clear labeling requirements, leading to many low-quality olive oils. 6. Brazil. Allows vegetable oil blends, often leading to misleading labeling and frequent fraud cases. Countries that prohibit the addition of other oils to olive oil. Some countries strictly prohibit any added oils to olive oil, ensuring that all olive oils sold there are 100% pure. 1. Portugal. 2. France. 3. Germany. 4. Australia. 5. Canada. Even in these countries, fraud can still occur, so always check for quality indicators before buying. Now you know how to identify real olive oil and which countries have the highest risk of adulteration. But what about the truly high-quality olive oils? The real natural remedies? Let's find out next. The medicinal recipe with olive oil used for centuries to strengthen immunity and cure diseases. Since ancient times, great civilizations have known the medicinal power of extra virgin olive oil. The ancient Greeks, Egyptians, and Mediterranean peoples used this golden elixir to treat illnesses, speed up recovery, and strengthen immunity against infections. These peoples knew that extra virgin olive oil was Not just a food, but a powerful remedy capable of cleansing the body, reducing inflammation, and restoring health. One of the most traditional recipes passed down from generation to generation was prepared whenever someone was weakened with flu symptoms, extreme fatigue, or any sign of a weakened immune system. Now I will teach you exactly how to prepare this medicinal recipe, which has helped countless people throughout history. And the best part, it is simple, natural, and extremely powerful ingredients. 2 tablespoons of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. 1 raw garlic clove, crushed 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, a pinch of turmeric powder optional but enhances anti-inflammatory effects, 1 teaspoon of pure honey, optional recommended for those who want to soften the taste. How to prepare: Step 1. Peel and crush the garlic until it forms a paste. This releases a powerful medicinal compound found in garlic. Step 2. Mix the crushed garlic with the extra virgin olive oil in a glass. Container. Step 3. Add the lemon juice and turmeric powder, stirring well until a homogeneous liquid forms. Step 4. If desired, add the honey to balance the flavor and make the mixture even more beneficial. How to consume it correctly to get the best results: Consume on an empty stomach. Take 1 tablespoon of this mixture first thing in the morning, at least 15 minutes before eating anything else. This enhances the absorption of medicinal compounds. If preferred, take it at night if you suffer from chronic inflammation, joint pain, or digestive problems. Taking this mixture before bed can be even more effective, as the body absorbs nutrients better during rest use for at least 21 days. To strengthen immunity and feel the first effects, consume this recipe daily for 3 consecutive weeks. Recommended: pause after 21 days, take a 7-day break, and if desired, restart the cycle. What you can expect when consuming this recipe regularly: short-term first days to 1 week more. Energy and vitality throughout the day, improved intestinal function, reduced fluid retention, and bloating relief from mild flu and cold symptoms. Medium term, 2 to 4 weeks stronger. Immunity, reducing frequent colds and infections, improved digestion, and reduced stomach acidity, healthier and more hydrated skin due to the antioxidant properties of olive oil. Long-term, 3 months or more, significant reduction in body inflammation, improved blood circulation and heart protection, prevention against neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's, hormonal balance, and overall better health. Contraindications: who should be cautious when consuming this recipe. Although it is a natural and safe remedy, some people should be careful when consuming this mixture. People with very low blood pressure, as garlic and olive oil can enhance this condition. People allergic to any of the ingredients, those with severe gastrointestinal problems such as ulcers or severe gastritis. In these cases, it is best to consult a doctor before. Diabetics should monitor their honey intake or opt to make the recipe without this ingredient. Now that you have learned this ancient medicinal recipe, try it and see for yourself the transformative benefits it can bring to your health. Share in the comments if you already knew about this combination or if you are going to try it for the first time. But let me ask you, would you like something even more effective? Something that can deliver fast, deep results that very few people know about? Imagine if, in addition to protecting your health, you could regain that vitality that seemed lost over time. Wrinkles, low energy, constant fatigue, all of this could be drastically reduced. And I'm not talking about miracles or empty promises, but about something that science and renowned doctors around the world have proven to be possible. As we age, our levels of human growth hormone, HGH, naturally decrease. This decline is one of the main causes of aging signs, such as wrinkles, loss of muscle mass, decreased energy, weight gain, memory problems, and even reduced sexual drive. But here's a secret that few people know. It's possible to stimulate your body to naturally produce more HGH. This is exactly what Gen F20 Plus does. It was designed to help you turn back time, offering incredible benefits such as reduction of wrinkles and fine lines, firmer, more youthful-looking skin, increased physical endurance and daily energy, weight loss and reduction of body fat, improved memory, focus and mood, greater vitality to enjoy life including in the intimate aspect, and even healthier, more vibrant-looking hair. The results aren't just promises. Gen F20 Plus has been tested in clinical studies, and one of them showed a 28% increase in IGF-1 levels, the primary mediator of HGH, in just 12 weeks. And here's the best part. It's recommended by renowned doctors like Dr. Stephen Lamb, a well-known figure on television, who says, "I would wholeheartedly recommend Gen F20 Plus to anyone who wants to improve their overall health and regain vitality." In the past, HGH treatments were inaccessible to most people, costing up to $30,000 a year in injections. But Gen F20 Plus has brought this technology to an affordable, safe, and natural level. And today, for you who follow our channel, I secured a special December promotional price. The cost is so affordable that it's less than a fast food meal. But pay attention, this offer is limited time only and valid while supplies last. And there's more. You can try Gen F20 Plus risk-free. You get 67 days of guarantee. Either you feel the results and are amazed by the transformation, or we refund your investment, no questions asked. Don't miss this chance to change your life for the better. Click the link in the video description or in the pinned comment and take advantage of this special price before it's gone. It's not just about aging, it's about how you choose to live. Make that choice for yourself today. What did you think of this lesson? Did you understand the importance of choosing pure, high-quality olive oil? On a scale from 0 to 10, what rating would you give this content? I really want to know your opinion, so write it in the comments. And one more thing, which city are you watching this video from? It's amazing to see how far our message is reaching. Comment below, because this motivates me to keep bringing valuable content to you. If there's one thing that became clear today, it's that extra virgin olive oil is not just a food, but a true natural remedy, capable of transforming your health and preventing numerous diseases. And now that you know how to identify quality olive oil, avoid counterfeit products, which countries have the best regulations, and even how to prepare a powerful homemade remedy, it's up to you to put this knowledge into practice. And to reinforce your commitment to your health, I want you to write in the comments, "I believe in healing." This simple phrase holds incredible power because when we declare something positive, we strengthen our connection with health and life. And don't forget, the natural healing supplement Gen F20 Plus is available at a special holiday promotional price, but these are the final days. The link is in the video description and in the pinned comment, so act fast to secure yours while it's still available. Now, I'm going to leave 2 more valuable videos on the screen that will complement what you learned today. If you truly want to transform your health, watch them. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. By doing this, you'll be notified whenever a new lesson like this is posted. Thank you so much for being here with me. A big hug, good health, and may God bless you. May.